This CPA marketing trick is gonna be a little bit trickier. If you can do that properly, then you could make $400, $600, or up to $800 per CPA lead. And the website that I'm gonna be showing you today, it'll give you a valid traffic every 10 minutes. You'll get targeted traffic that will come to you just for your CPA offer, and there is a 99% chance that they will convert into a valid CPA lead. This is a method that you can do from anywhere in the world. You just need a smartphone for that. If you only have a smartphone, then you can do that from anywhere. All you need is just to follow me what I'm doing. And if you guys are ready for that, then smash the like button. Hit that like button now. Okay, so grab your phone, or sit down on your PC, and let's get going. So as you can see, I came to the OfferVault website, and you wanna come to this website, which is offervault.com. Now why you wanna come to this website, is because OfferVault is the best resource to find different CPA offers, and we can find that types of CPA offer here that we want. And in this video I will show you the process with one category offer, and then later you can pick any type of category offer, and you can do the process over and over again. So once you guys come to the OfferVault website, now I want you to click right here as you can see categories. And then here as you can see, this website has all sorts of categories. But this time we are looking for this category Biz Op, means business opportunity. So you wanna click Biz Op category. And as you can see guys, it has come up with tons of different CPA offers under the business category. And each of the offers is paying a decent amount of commission, you can see that here. Now before I show you which offer you wanna pick, first we wanna filter out these offers by payout. If you click payout here twice, then as you can see it has come up with the highest to lowest offers first. Now, here you wanna find out a type of offer that is hiring people for their company, an offer that is looking for employees for different posts. And if you don't find that types of offers on the first page, then you wanna go to the second page, and you wanna list out jobs types of offers from here. As you can see, this is a job offer, so you can pick this offer. You know people need a job. People are seeking jobs every minute, and that's the reason why you wanna pick these types of offers. So once you find an offer like this, then you wanna open this offer, and then here you wanna click this Run Offer button. And once you click this Run Offer button, then it'll take you to the CPA network of this offer. Then you wanna sign up to that network, and you wanna grab your CPA link. And once you guys grabbed your CPA link, now I wanna show you where you can find people that are looking for this type of job. And for that, you wanna come to this website, and this website name is Craigslist. So you wanna come to this Craigslist website. Craigslist is a website for viewing and posting local advertisements, and it's completely free to use. You can find a listing for almost anything on Craigslist, like jobs, apartments, used cars, personal ads, and a whole lot more. And you know what? You can take advantage of it. Let me show you how. So as you can see here, the jobs category, and under the jobs category it has many other categories, and you wanna post your CPA offer as a job here, and to do that, you wanna click right here as you can see create a posting. And once you click create a posting, then it'll take you to this page. And here you wanna select job offered. Then here you wanna select a category. On which category you should select, you'll find that on your CPA offer, and once you select a category, then it'll bring you to this page. And here you wanna type the job title first. Then here you wanna type the country name. If you come to the OfferVault, then here you'll see how many countries an offer allowed you to promote. So you wanna copy one of these countries' names, and you wanna paste it here. Then you wanna put a postcode here. You can find a city postcode easily by searching on Google, so it doesn't really matter. And then the description. Description, you wanna type something like this. You wanna say we are looking for some full-time and part-time employees for our company. If you're interested, text us at our number. So you wanna type something like this, or even better if you can. And then you wanna click here employment type, and you wanna set it employee's choice. Then you wanna go to the bottom, and you wanna click right here as you can see show my phone number, and you wanna click text SMS. Make sure you check text SMS. And then here you wanna put a phone number, and for the phone number you can use Google Voice, or you can use Text Now. So you wanna come to one of these websites, and you wanna create a free account. And once you create a free account, then you'll get a free phone number where you can receive and send messages. And this number you want to put here as your phone number, and then you want to hit this button continue. And once you make a job post on Craigslist, then people will message you for more details, and you want to reply to them with your CPA link, and you want to convert them into CPA lead. And you can make money over and over again by doing this exact same strategy. And if you haven't watched this video, then go ahead and watch this video if you want to learn another fast money making method or strategy. And please drop a like to this video, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you there.